powerful and effective way how to clean your floors with vinegar. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. With the popularization of chemical-free natural cleaners, white vinegar has become the go-to choice for any and all cleaning applications. And for good reason. Vinegar is readily available, cheap, and safe. You can use it on almost all your floors. Vinegar can be used on almost all your hard surface floors, including tile, laminate, and wood. Here's how to do it. Firstly, vacuum the floor thoroughly to remove dirt and dust. This is especially important for hardwood floors, because any lingering debris will scratch the surface of the floor as you mop. Second, mix a solution of 1-2 cups of distilled white vinegar per gallon of warm water. Thirdly, mop floors. If you're using it on hardwood floors, it's very important to wring your mop out as much as possible. You can also use the vinegar and water solution in a spray mop. If you like our video so far, press the like button to let us know. And lastly, air dry. There's no need to rinse your vinegar mopping solution from your floors. Keep in mind that your floors should be drying very quickly if you've wrung out your mop sufficiently. Natural cleaning isn't just great for the environment, it's also great for your budget. As you can see, instead of buying specific products for each cleaning job, vinegar and 1 or 2 other non-toxic ingredients do it all for way less. And won't clutter up every shelf, sink, and cabinet either. Watch our other cleaning videos below and find out natural ways to make your home smell amazing. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Check the description below to see our favorite products.